Back everyone, you may be having an issue with your Samsung phone where for some reason this device is just not charging. Now what does that mean? Well, essentially you're trying to go ahead and plug it into the bottom of your port and for some reason it's not charging up your device. Now the first thing I'd recommend doing is finding that specific charging port, so whichever port it is, whether it's USB Type-C or whatever, and you just want to make sure that that specific port is fully working. You may want to go and try it with a different device, you may want to go and try it in a different outlet on your specific wall or whatever, maybe a different cord, whatever it is. Trying out different things like that and making sure it's not the phone that's the problem is the easiest way to go ahead and make yourself feel so much better, because if it's your phone that's the problem, then luckily for us there's other ways to charge your phone. But if for some reason you're trying different ports and everything, it's still not working, well, you may have a problem with your specific port down here. So what I'd recommend doing is getting some sort of cotton swab, maybe even a napkin, and trying to clean out the inside of that specific port at the bottom. A majority of people will actually end up having some issues with their ports at the bottom at some point of their device life cycle. But if it's a fairly new iPhone, but it's a fairly new phone, then you probably shouldn't be running into any issues for the most part. Now, let's say you're still having issues. Another thing I would recommend doing is seeing if your phone supports wireless charging. Almost every single phone that's been sold for the last like 2 or 3 years has some sort of wireless charging within it. So what I would recommend doing is seeing if you can go ahead and actually wirelessly charge your phone. So go ahead and grab a wireless charger, upgrade, and just kind of charge your phone in the meantime. But at the same time, what I would recommend doing is going into your settings of your specific Galaxy phone, finding your software update panel, and downloading and installing the latest version of software that's available for your phone. I'm going to guarantee for almost every single person watching this, that's probably another massive way to go ahead and fix this problem. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.